All right, guys, it's a very sad day for Watch Your Lip. We came down to the Keys, got Priscilla down here, and Priscilla is taking in water at a very, very high rate, and I think it's the cracked transom. So it looks like Priscilla is going to be out of commission for a little while, but little buddy's going to ramp the boat here. We're still going to fish, but just a crappy day, man. Crappy day when your boat gets sick like that. So more later. Let me help this guy get the boat on the ramp. All right, guys, sad day.
Wait, don't film this.
Oh yeah, we're filming it.
No, if we want to sell it on off.
No, we're gonna fix it, dude. Sad day, guys. Our transom is cracked. Here's where the engine mount goes in, and you can see it how it's cracking a little bit. And underneath here, there's a big crack right there. There's a bar, I don't know what this stuff is called. There's a bar right here. And right underneath that bar, there's a great big crack. And I have a feeling that's where the water's coming in. In fact, let's pick the engine up. Here, feel that? Let's see if we can get a better view. Well, you can see the little crack there.
Oh my gosh, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Does the camera pick it up?
Well, the camera can't really see it from this angle.
I think that crack is enough to bring water in for sure.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. There you can see it there, guys. All right, so there's the problem. In one regard, guys, it's sad because, we're here on vacation and our boat, we're not going to be able to use our boat. But the other regard, I'm actually kind of relieved because I have a feeling that this is the reason that we're having our power issues, because we've been having power issues. We're having problem getting on plane. We went through the whole 100-hour service thing. We went through checking the compression and the pistons. New prop. We cleaned the carburetor out. We did everything we could think of. And if the crack in the transom is creating give when we put thrust, it could be creating an angle of the propeller, because the propeller is pushing into the engine. When you accelerate, it would go this way. So it would crack and go. If it's cracked, it might give too much and be creating an angle that's not conducive to planing out, and that could very well be what the problem is. And once water starts coming in the boat, like we just took it out, and I wasn't filming, but as we're trying to go to our fishing spot, water was slowly starting to fill up inside. So we stopped. We figured maybe it was because there's water coming in. We got really shallow gunnels, and maybe water was coming in over the side. So we pumped all the water out with the bilge, and then started going again. And within a minute or two.
Yeah.
Within a minute or two, it was all filled up with water again, and that's not good. And so we knew at that point we're taking in water from somewhere, because it's the Florida Keys, guys. It's not rough out there. There wasn't water coming in over the side, so water's coming in somewhere. And I would suspect about the live bait pump, because we drilled through the bottom to put the live bait intake in, the live bait well intake, but it was 5200 that thing like crazy, sealed it up real good. I don't think that's where the water was coming in, but now it makes sense, because now I'm seeing how this thing is cracked here, it's cracked underneath there and around the sides, and I have a feeling that's exactly where the water's coming in. So guys, sad day, but Lorenzo, we can get this fixed, bro. We just got to take the engine off and
Reglass it.
completely redo our transom, which I've never done before. Any ideas, guys? Any? I definitely don't have the money to pay somebody to redo my transom, but I'm gonna try and do it with the help of a couple of buddies directing us. So we'll see how it goes. Priscilla's gonna be out of commission for a little while, but I'm sure we'll make some videos on rebuilding your transom. Guys, as much as I hate to ask for a like, give me a like, give me a little encouragement. We need some encouragement, don't we, buddy? Back to bridge fishing for us. Well, we have the beach all summer anyway. This kid loves his boat. All right, we're going to get it fixed, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, watch your lip, watch your transom. See you guys.